Introducing Resize Gmail Sidebar by cloudHQ. Gmail labels are a great way to stay organized, but your Gmail label names get hidden by the sidebar when their names are too long. There's no ability to adjust the size of my sidebar, which prevents me from viewing each project I've organized neatly right here in my Gmail labels. Until now, Resize Gmail Sidebar by cloudHQ gives you all the space you need to reorganize your viewing space and become more efficient. Simply install the extension from the Chrome Web Store with the click of a button and navigate back to your inbox. Now I can slide my sidebar in and out easily with a simple click and drag of my mouse. Now I'm in control of my inbox and can quickly locate the emails and information I need in my Gmail labels. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.